Here's the 3 best ways for business coaches to help clients get the credit and financing they need to grow their business faster while you monetize and get paid just by helping them out. Most business owners fail because they can't get access to capital. As a matter of fact, of all business failures, 85% of those failures happen because the business owner runs into cash flow issue, meaning they need money and they can't get it. Well, there's 3 ways to help your business owner's client get the money they need while monetizing and creating a secondary income stream for yourself at the same time. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. So way number 1 is the structure of your client's business. Look, it's called fundability. Lenders and credit issuers have this secret criteria they look at to determine if their client should be approved or denied for financing. It's called fundability or lendability, and when you help your coaching clients figure this out, then automatically they start turning denials into approvals. They stop chasing lenders, and lenders chase them with pre-screened offers. And most importantly, they start getting automated approvals as they continue to go. So what are lenders looking for here? Well, one of the first things is separating the business from the actual business owner, making sure there's a separate business bank account, a separate address, a separate phone number for the business, an entity like an LLC or a corporation, even having a business license. These kind of things go a long way to help the business look more fundable, and that turns a lot of denials into approvals. The other important aspect of fundability is there's literally companies out there selling just this for $2,000 or $3,000. They charge companies thousands of dollars to help them get set up or structured the right way. That's how much value has to do with this first of 3 different ways that you can help your clients get the funding they need. And that brings me to way number 2, building business credit. Wow. Business credit's super important for clients to be able to get the funding that they need. First of all, business credit is as important to a business owner being able to get approved as consumer credit is to a consumer getting approved. Meaning if a business owner wants to get credit cards, loans, or credit lines, in most cases, the lender's going to look at their business credit quality. So by helping your clients build business credit, that and that alone makes them more lendable. Plus, by building business credit, it gives them the ability for their business to fund itself. And what I mean by that is they don't need personal guarantees. They don't need personal credit checks. They don't need all these things that are required to get other kind of financing. They don't prove cash flow or collateral or even have to have good credit. Business or credit works for every business owner. If somebody has a business in the United States, they can build business credit. For-profit, non-profit, regardless of industry, those things simply don't matter. So business credit gives them an easy way to get financing. It makes them more lendable. It gets them away from personal guarantees and personal credit checks, and it gives them a way for their business to actually fund itself. Which brings me to the 3rd way that you can actually make money by helping clients get the credit and financing they need to grow. And that is helping them get the financing that they can get right now. Look, most business owners are applying for the wrong kind of financing. It's why they're getting denied. They're applying at their bank for an SBA loan when there's nowhere close to qualifying. They're applying for a type of financing that looks at their revenue when they're a startup and don't even have revenue. They're applying for a kind of financing that requires good credit when they've got bad credit. So the first thing to know is you want to help them get financing based on where they are right now. This is called the 3 C's formula, and it's based on 3 factors that lenders look at most: cash flow, credit, and collateral. Now, the way this formula works is a client only needs one of these 3 to get the money that they actually need. They don't need the other 2. So for example, if a business owner has cash flow, then they're able to use that cash flow and cash flow alone to qualify for all different types of business financing products. They're able to get merchant cash advances, revenue loans. They're able to qualify for term loans, lines of credit, just because they have consistent cash flow. But maybe they're a startup. Maybe they don't have cash flow. Then you want to look at one of the other C's like credit-based financing. A program like Credit Line Hybrid can get a business owner to $150,000 in funding, 0% interest rates, no doc, and they can get it even as a brand new startup business. The best part is they don't even need good credit. They can use credit from somebody else, a friend, a family member, or a personal guarantor instead. So again, by focusing on the credit side of things, they don't need collateral and they don't need cash flow. Or maybe your client has some kind of asset that can be served up as collateral, and there's a lot of types of assets that can qualify. It could be residential real estate, commercial real estate. It could be vehicles. It could be stocks, bonds, 401ks, IRAs. It could be account receivables. It could be purchase order, inventory, or equipment. If they have an asset, there's a good probability it could be used to collateralize a business loan. Heck, even cryptocurrency works for this. So that opens up the 3 C's formula. Do they have cash flow? Do they have credit? Do they have collateral? By teaching your clients this formula, they can go to the type of financing they can qualify for based on their strengths, ignoring their weaknesses because the other C's don't matter. This helps them get all the money they can get right now. And the best part of all of this is just by introducing these 3 solutions to your clients, you solve their biggest problem, helping them get the money that they need to grow and to execute your strategies as a business coach. And you can make a lot of money creating a massive secondary income stream just by doing it. Want to know how? Well, make sure you go to creditsuite.com/coaches right now. And we have a short video that walks you through the entire process. It teaches you how to better serve your client, how to help them get the fundability improved like they need. It shows you exactly how to help your clients the most while monetizing at the same time. It shows you how you can improve their fundability easily, how you can help them quickly build business credit, and how you can help them right now get all the financing they qualify for while creating a substantial secondary income stream at the same time. Check it out at creditsuite.com/coaches. And if you got value from this training, make sure you like and subscribe and keep your eye out for the next training where we talk about more cool ways to get the money you need to start and grow your business.